everybody. I am Kiana.
And I'm Speros.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we wanted to talk about transformational leadership style. Keep in mind, there are many styles out there, but we wanted to take the six most common and most distinct style, and we wanted to be able to reflect upon it. None of the styles are in order of importance, and this is just purely off of our research and what we have gathered. Now, let's start with definition. Transformational leadership style. The definition is a visionary, inspiring approach that motivates employees to achieve shared, transformative goals aligned with organizational purpose. So you can think in short of this style as lead by vision. There are pros to this style. One of the pros increases motivation and engagement among the team. It drives innovation, creativity, and adaptability, as well as it is very, very highly effective during change, crisis recovery, turnaround, or rapid growth organizations. So the best situations or work environments this could be utilized would be the organization needs major change, innovation, or a cultural transformation. In startups, scale ups, or high growth companies, this style is very effective. And especially during mergers, digital transformations, acquisitions, or post crisis rebuilding, this would be a great style to utilize. Now, with pros, you always know there's going to be cons. Speros, what would you say would be some of our cons?
Some of the challenges with this style is that it can lead to burnout if the leader constantly pushes for high effort without recovery time. There are risks creating dependency on the leader. Essentially, what happens if that leader leaves? It can inspire people in the wrong direction if the vision is flawed or unethical. And with that, situations where it does not work very well with is in high stable routine or compliance driven environments where predictability matters more than the innovation. With very inexperienced teams who still need structure and basic skill development, and when resources are extremely scarce. Now, there are some disclaimers. Even the best transformational leaders blend in transactional elements for execution and stability. And with that, companies can essentially eventually grow out of a purely transformational leader. Many successful companies that scale up, they'll essentially switch to something more strongly operational, such as a transactional leader, once that vision is set. Kiana?
Yeah. So because it is such a unique style, it's so heavily driven by a company needing transformation, right? Um, some of the disclaimers will come down to it is pretty much highly dependent on the vision of the leader. That could be good or bad. It could even live or die with the leader itself. So with that being said, if the leader themselves have the wrong vision, it could completely take the company, to completely different wrong direction. Now, with that being said as well, it could also neglect the larger picture of an organization, depending on when and how a leader utilizes this style. It could be short-lived as well. And I would say, kind of the last disclaimer we can talk about is really more about it's more of like a warning, right? The charismatic but toxic leaders can also appear to be very transformational, but it really needs you to evaluate when you're experiencing it or when you're utilizing it, are you utilizing this transformational style that serves the people or ultimately does it serve the leader's ego? Well, thank you so much for watching our video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Comment on what style you would like to see a deeper dive in or any style you want us to do next. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.